What's that?
We know we got the first two right.
Yeah, true, right?
Yeah, I love that the first two you always get right no matter what.
Yahoo! All
But
right.
you know what? I was watching another group's as I was trying to figure out one of them yesterday, and we have, at least I have 18 problems. They only had 16.
What?
Yeah, they didn't have the last two problems.
What?
That's weird.
They kept looking back up at it because one of them referred to number 17, and then they went down and none of the four of them had number 17 or 18 on their thing.
Wow.
So I don't know.
So is that how many questions that I wonder are going to be on this quiz?
There's 18 on the quiz.
Okay, let me get to that, and we will get started on that. Okay, let me get to my iLearn. All right, okay, we're ready to start. I'm pushing start.
Okay.
We ready?
Yes.
Yep.
So you guys ready for question number 3?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay, the total area under a density curve must equal
1.
1.
Yep.
Woohoo! Okay.
Under certain circumstances, a density curve can drop below the x-axis. False.
False. Good.
Yeah, definitely false. These are good so far. I like this. I like this a lot.
Number 5. A normal density curve is symmetric. That's true.
You know, I think I'm getting I think I'm doing good on this biostats class. I think it's making sense now. At the beginning, I was like, what?
Oh, no, I have the grasp for a moment, and then I'm like, if I did this tomorrow, I'd be like, what? The following image to answer questions 6 and 7.
Okay, 6. Which of the following elements of the figure represents the z-score in the image? C.
Yeah, I have C2. 1.0.
Yeah.
A positive 1.0. Yeah, sometimes our numbers are mixed up. We probably have to say the answer.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Okay.
Yeah, mine says ACB.
Oh, then yours.
Yeah, mine says CVA.
And mine's BCA.
Okay. All right. All right.
So funny.
Okay, so number 7. Which of the following elements of the figure represents the probability that the random variable z will be greater than 1? That's C again, right?
No, it's B.
Greater than 1. Yeah, that'd be B, because it's the right.
Area to the right of 1.
Okay.
The area to the right of
Because
C.
anything would be less than.
Okay, gotcha. Okay.
So B.
Yep.
B is right. Got it.
Okay, according to the 6895 99.7 rule, the longest rule name ever, what proportion of the data from a bell-shaped distribution will be within 1 standard deviation of the mean? That's 68.
Okay.
Perfect.
And we got this down.
Yeah. We're going to hit the ones that we have to do the math with.
Yes. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. Hold your breath.
Yep.
Okay, suppose random variable z has a standard normal deviation. Use the normal applet to answer this question. What proportion of the values, I have to write this down, what proportion of the values from this random variable will be between -1 and 1?
Huh?
So you go to your applet.
Your answer is a decimal.
And you just move your z-score to 1.
Wait, but to find between two values, you have to get the two z
What they're
The
asking us
TVs,
to do is
and then
just
you have
go-
to subtract them.
but we don't have to because we can use the applet on this. So if you go to your applet
Uh-huh.
and move your red lines right to the 1,
Yes.
then then it tells you the area up on top, the probability.
Okay.
Are you sure we don't have to do like the equation type thing?
Not on this one.
Okay.
Answer as a decimal. Okay, so a percentage.
So
So it'd be 68, wouldn't it?
okay.
Wait, did
no,
you want the percent or the?
on the applet it shows 0.6827. They asked us.
Sorry.
It says, if, for example, if the answer was 0.389184, you would enter 0.389.
And this one says 0.6827, so it would be 0.683.
Wait, mine says. Do I have mine on the? Oh, mine aren't right. Never mind.
Yeah. Put them on the 1.
Okay. 0.6827. So third decimal place is 0.682, right?
0.683.
3.
Brand-
That's what I meant. 0.
Is that what you got, Pam?
Point. You know what? I'm still trying to get the applet. Sorry.
Okay, no, we'll wait for you. It's not a big deal.
Okay. So I have to go back to. Did you get your applet? Where did you guys go?
I already had it up on my thing,
Oh,
but I had to
Okay.
go back. When I got it from the book, the textbook. So in where it says individual preparation, and then I hit the
Okay.
text, pulled it up.
Let me just go there real quick.
Okay.
Maybe we'll save your answers now. Press OK to continue. You can stay on the current page. Okay. When you go to another page, do you save it or you just go to the other page?
I just go to the other page.
Okay.
It just leaves it up on the screen,
Okay.
and I pop
Right.
back.
Here we go. Okay, here's my, all right. Sorry. Okay, now I'm putting in, yeah. So I got 1 on 1, and the blue. Sorry, my phone's going crazy. I need to turn down my phone. So I put.
Someone's popular.
So I put the blue in the middle.
Yes.
Okay. So I have a 0.6827.
Yep. And so you have to round it up to 3.
0.683.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Okay, number 10. Are you ready?
No, sorry.
No,
There's
okay.
got to be a better way. Okay, that was number 9, and it was
683.
0.3. Oh, go. 0.683. Okay, 10.
Okay, suppose random variable z has a standard normal distribution. Use the normal applet to answer the question. What proportion of the values from the random variable will be between -2 and 2? So we do the same thing. We go to the applet and just put in -2 to 2 with the middle blue
Yeah, well, we know it's going to be 95 something.
at 0.9545, so 0.955.
Okay.
Is that what you got, Katie?
Yep, sure is.
Okay. All right, suppose random variable z has a standard normal distribution. Use the normal applet to answer this question. What proportion of the values from this random variable will be between -3 and 3? Okay, we know that's going to be somewhere between 99.7.
It is. It's 0.997. And then it's like 0.9972 or something.
Okay.
So 3.
So fast. I got to figure this out.
I have these crazy fingers.
So we have to.
Those fingers are pretty hot.
What?
We need to ramp it up.
Look carefully at your answers to the last 3 questions. What do you observe? The value.
They match the rule.
Woohoo!
What?
11, did you guys put 0.999?
No, 0.997.
Is it the fourth? My applet said it was 0.998. Oh, whoops, never mind. I didn't have, I had over 3. That's why I got a weird number. No, I still get 0.9987. So rounding up, it would be 0.999. Is that your applet? Something different?
What? No, mine says 0.9973.
Well, why would mine be different? My z-score is 3 and -3, and my area is showing 0.9987. That is bizarre.
Well, let me. I'm gonna
Look
do.
at the little box where it says z-score, and make sure it says 3.000.
Let's say 3.00.
Huh. That's weird.
Yeah.
Well, it shouldn't be
Wait.
998 because
Where's the blue area on yours, Monica?
It's in the middle. The whole. It looks like it's the whole thing, but
Right.
it's from.
And that is what yours is too, right?
Yeah. I don't know. Mine had a glitch like that earlier, so maybe it's just that. But it's gonna be 0.997 because of the rule.
Right.
Well, yeah, but that's going to screw me up on my test if my computer's doing something weird on my homework quiz.
Well,
It's
mine says the area is 1.
What? Try to refresh the page.
That's a good idea. Let me try that. Okay, let me go.
Oh, you know what you have? There's just I know what the problem is, Monica. In the past the 3, there's probably blue and you just can't see it because that's what mine's doing. And I click on it to go white.
Yeah.
And it comes down.
I did that. I clicked on one of the things to the right or to the left, and I got 0.9987.
Okay. You're
Yeah,
right.
that was it.
Okay, let me go back and change that. Can you turn off your alarm? Okay.
Okay.
All right. Everyone ready? I'll read the next one.
Okay.
Okay. The amount of protein that an individual must consume is different for every person. There are solid theoretical ideas that suggest that the protein requirement will be normally distributed in the population of the United States. The protein requirement is given in terms of the number of grams of good quality protein that must be consumed each day per kilogram body of weight.
Oh boy.
The population mean protein requirements for adults is 0.66 grams protein
Times.
the population standard deviation is that. Use this information to answer questions 14 through 17.
Okay. So our population is.
So your mean is 0.66.
Yeah, we just need the mean, the standard deviation, and then we can find the z number.
Yeah.
So the mean is. Population mean requirement in adults is 0.66.
Right.
So x is 0.60.
Point zero
And
seven.
then
What?
that U thing, I can't think of what it's called. Delta, gamma, who knows? But
Yeah.
so it'd be 0.60 minus 0.66 over
0.07.
0.07. Calculator.
Yeah, let me get my calculator. I need more light here.
I got 8.57.
Okay.
And we have to put that into the applet, right?
So,
I
point
don't think so. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe, yeah, probably.
0.66 divided by 0.07. Okay, I got
That doesn't seem right.
a negative 0.857.
Wait, what
Right.
did I do wrong?
Yeah, it's a negative 0.857. And then you put that, let me come back to the question,
Okay.
to the applet, right? Let's
What
see.
proportion of the population have a protein requirement that is less than 0.6? Give your answer in decimal.
Okay, wait. You got
Okay, yeah, okay, let's back up. What did you get for your answer? 0.6 minus 0.66.
I don't know what I did, but I put it in and I got like the wrong answer, but I put it in again and I got it negative 0.857.
Right,
Yes.
okay. So
Okay,
now
cool.
we have to go to the plot. And, sorry guys, that takes me a moment to get to that plot. Okay. So, what does the question say? Sorry.
So it says what portion is less than
Okay.
0.60? So you would make your center blue and your left side blue, correct?
No, but it's less than, right?
Yeah, so if 0.6,
Yeah, well, you wouldn't do the center then.
yes, you do the center because the center is less than 0.6. Because it doesn't say negative. Oh, does it say negative? Let's see.
Well, no, you put the z-score in, and so it's anything less than the z-score.
But the z-score goes on the left side because it's a negative. Right?
Yes, you are right.
So we put in the z-score on the bottom negative
8.57.
0.857. It's a negative 0.857, right? Is that what you guys have got?
Yes.
Yeah.
And then it's less than. So I have the area as being, the probability is 0.196.
Yes.
Is that what you?
0.196.
Yeah.
Is that what
Yes, it is.
Okay. Seriously, I need another window. I'm sure there's such an easy way to do this, and I just am not doing it.
I'm in hell, but you're in Arizona.
Every test we take, I have to learn something new. Okay. Okay, that was question number.
Oh, the next one's just asking more. Like, it's the same question. It's just saying rather than less, it's more. So we just have to go and highlight different things.
Well, you just subtract it from 1. Okay, so the answer, I'm sorry, what was the answer point?
The number, oh, okay. What portion of the population have a protein requirement that is more than 0.60? So you blew the right side of it instead of the left side of it.
You guys, I'm sorry, what was the answer to 13? Was it 196?
No, 0.196. Yeah.
Okay. So what percentage of improvement is more than? So all you have to do is I mean, you guys could do the plot if you like, but I think you just have to take 1 minus 0.96,
It works either.
right?
You can do that, or you can just click 2 blue things, like whatever easiest.
Right.
Yeah.
So
I
do
like
you
the-
0.804?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So 15. What proportion of the population would have a protein requirement that is less than 0.70? I'll let you guys look it up.
Well, so you have to do the z-score again. So you have to do 0.70 minus 0.66.
Right.
Divided
I got 0.571.
0.7
That's what I got, Katie.
minus
And then you put that in.
divided by point. Okay, so you got net point. You got negative. What did you get?
I got 0.571.
Yeah,
Okay,
point.
wrong.
You put it in the applet, and we have to do what's bigger than. Is that right? What portion of the population have a protein? Oh, that is less than. So everything to the left. So it would be 0.716. Is that correct? Is that what you guys got?
571.
Wait,
No,
is it less than?
it's
Yeah,
less.
less than.
So
Okay.
0.716.
716.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. 0.716. Okay, find the 35th percentile for the protein requirement for the adults. Okay, that one should be easy. Okay, so let me get back to my plot.
Wait, where are you? We haven't done 16.
Oh, sorry. Shoot.
Just go ahead.
Okay.
Sorry.
Are you reading it, Katie?
Sure. Number 16? Is that where we're at? Yeah. Find the probability that a randomly selected person will have a protein requirement that is between 0.60 and 0.70. Hint, remember that to find the area between two values, shade to the left of each z-score you calculate and then subtract the smaller area from the larger area.
Well,
Make
that's
sure
so
your
nice
answer
they tell us
is
that.
positive. What?
That's so nice they tell us that because
Yes.
Yeah.
it's a little bit confusing to me. Okay, so what we're doing, because I can't read and have this up, so we are is points.
So, I
points.
have my notes here. And so you take both of the z numbers and
Which we already have.
yeah, but you take the absolute value of it, so there will be no negative. So you'll take the higher one, so you'll pay instead of negative 0.857, you'll take 0.857 and then you'll minus 571.
Wait,
and that will
where
give you.
Yeah, I'm kind of confused what you're talking about.
No,
So
I have 716 subtracting 196. Is that wrong? What?
I thought it was 0.804 minus 0.716. Because
no, you're taking the z-scores, not the proportion. So what we originally did when we did z equals x minus mean divided by standard deviation.
Yeah.
So your z-score, what you originally get before, not the answers that we put down.
Right.
So you take those and you take the absolute value. So pretty much you just get rid of the negative, and then you minus them. So it'll be 0.857 minus 0.571.
Except for on this it says shade to the left of each z-score. So it's saying the proportion. It says shade to the left of each z-score and then subtract that number. So I think it would be the proportions.
Here.
Which would be, our proportions are what, 0.196 and point.
Oh no! I was like, yeah, you're right.
Okay, so it should be 0.520. Because it's 0.716 minus 0.196.
Okay.
correct? Is that right?
Yeah, you're right.
Okay. Did you follow that?
No, I don't understand. You said 0.796 minus what?
No, 0.196. So our Z
Okay.
our
Right.
proportion from 14 and our proportion from 15. You subtract the lowest from the highest.
Right. Okay. Okay. I'm totally gotcha. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. And so the answer was what?
0.52?
20.
520, yeah.
Okay.
0.
Okay. Yeah. All right. I gotcha. Okay. Yeah. All right. Find the 35 percentile of the protein requirement for adults. All right. So.
Oh, that's the long equation, isn't it?
Yeah, you have to
Yeah.
first get the Z-score from the applet and then solve for X.
Okay.
Yeah. And I'm sorry, you guys. I don't have the. It was 35%, right?
Yes. Uh-huh.
Okay. So 0.35. And so we want just the middle. Is that right?
Oh. Just a minute. I'm having issues with
No,
my
that's not right.
thing. No, it would be.
No.
Wait.
You.
But it wants you to solve for X using the Z-score, and you can't find the Z-score with the applet.
Yes, you can.
Well, you get the Z-score from putting
You
the
find
35%
you find
on
the
the
area, but you don't find the Z-score.
Yes.
I can't remember.
Put the area in at the top. If you put
yeah,
the
S35.
then it gives you the Z-score at the bottom.
Okay,
Oh,
but is blue in the middle?
No, blue.
Is to the left?
Blue's to the left, I think. Let me look.
Yeah,
Let me
what
go.
does the question say again? I'm sorry.
That's what I have to go back. Find the 35 percentile for the protein requirement for the adult. So it's blue to the.
To the left. Yes, because when you're doing a percentile, it's 35% and less.
So it's point. It's negative
It's a
point.
negative 0.454.
No.
Wait, I have 385.
Yeah.
Oh,
Negative.
wait. You're right. You're right. I somehow it moved again. 0.35. Okay. Yeah, you're right. It is negative 385.
Yes.
Okay, got it.
Okay, and then you need to put that in the formula to solve for X.
Okay, and that formula is
X equals the mean.
yeah, X equals the mean, which is
66
point.
plus.
0.66 divided by 0.07.
No,
So then you
have to
times
add the Z-score into it.
66 plus
Yeah. So it'd be negative 0.385 equals X minus 0.66 divided by 0.07. Right?
No. You take the Z, if you write the Z formula out, so it's Z equals X
Yeah.
minus the mean.
0.66 divided by 0.07.
Yeah, but then you have to change the formula so it becomes.
Yeah, that's what I was getting to. I was just starting out. But then you times it by.
Somebody figure it out, and then let's compare our answers. How about that?
Sounds good.
0.385 times.
I'm so glad.
I'm going to do it again.
Yeah.
Okay, I have 0.687.
That's not what I have, but let me double check. I did it
I have
right.
0.3305.
That's not what. Okay. Okay. So we have. What did I just do?
Oops, sorry, I'm just cutting myself off here.
0.385 times 0.07, and that's a negative. So you get negative 0.02695, right?
Yep. Plus 0.6.
Plus.
Wait,
I didn't get a negative number. 0.385 times 0.07, I got a 0.02.
But it's a negative 0.385.
Oh, you're so right. Okay.
Plus 0.66 equals 0.686. Is that what you got, Katie? What did
No,
you...
I got 0.63305. Maybe my calculator like spazzed out. Let me try something.
Okay.
0.2695. Yeah, I got the same thing. You did negative 0.02695 plus 0.66, right?
Right.
So I got 0.633. What'd you guys get?
I got 0.633 also.
Yeah.
Okay, 0.633. Three of us, that must be the answer.
Okay.
Yeah, close enough.
Okay, read the next question so I don't have to close out, just in case we need this open again.
It's the same question, it's just doing the 80th percentile instead of 35th.
Oh, okay.
So just put that baby in.
80, oh, 0.80.
So did you get 0.842 for the Z?
Point what? 842?
Yeah.
0.842.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So then that would we'll figure that one out, and
Yeah.
so that would be.
I got 0.719.
Oh man, my calculator just went weird.
Let me do it again and double check it.
Yeah, 0.842 times 0.07 plus 0.66. I got 0.719.
1894? Yeah, I got 0.719 also.
Okay.
Is that what you got?
Yep.
Okay. All right. Let me go back to my test. Does the next one have to do with this plot?
We're done.
We're done.
Oh, okay. Yoo-hoo!
I'm just going to submit it. I'll let you know if we get anything wrong.
Oh, you're so...
No, we got them all right! Submit it! We're good! Yeah!
Woohoo!
I hope the teacher watches that. Oh, man.
So, well, hold on. Let me say, because I was back in my plot. So 17, 35 percentile was 0.633, right?
Yes.
And the 80th percentile was 0.719.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. I love green check marks. It looks good.
All right.
Nothing else to do.
All right, I will. Thanks, ladies.
See you on Tuesday.
Yeah, for sure. See you then.
All right, see you then. Good luck. Have a good weekend.
Bye-bye.